TeraFlex's JL spare tire relocation bracket kit repositions the factory spare tire mount to accommodate up to a 37-inch tire. With the spare tire removed, open the tailgate and carefully remove the plastic panel on the inside of the tailgate. Disconnect the 2 wires that run to the tailgate. Pull the wires out of the tailgate. Remove the bolts holding the spare tire mount to the tailgate. Clean the surface around the bolt holes. Remove the rubber bumpers. Install the brackets using the bolts that originally attached the spare tire mount to the tailgate. On the spare tire mount, pop the wires out of the small groove. Install the spare tire mount onto the relocation brackets using the provided hardware. Feed the wires back into the tailgate. Reconnect the plugs and replace the plastic panel. Take the factory rubber bumpers and cut off the stub so that a bolt can pass through it. Put the 1.5-inch spacer and the well nut onto this bolt. Then install everything onto the tailgate. Place the spare tire onto the spare tire mount. Check the clearance of the tire to the rubber bumpers. Because backspacing on wheels vary, we have included extra inch and half-inch spacers. Add these as needed. Keeping these rubber bumpers firm against the tire wall prevents the spare tire from vibrating and audibly rattling.